Good evening, friends. My name is Rajkumar Raghunath Bosle. Today's date is 6 September 2021. Today's video topic is linked list in Java. Let's see today's video what is meant by Java linked list. The Java linked list class uses a doubly linked list to store the elements. It provides a linked list data structure. It inherits the abstract list class and implements the list and deque implement list deque interfaces. The important points about the Java linked list are the Java linked list class can contain duplicate elements. Second one is the Java linked list class maintain insertion order. Third is the Java linked list class is non-synchronized. And then in Java linked list class manipulation is faster because no shifting needs to occur. Then the Java linked list class can be used as a list stack or queue. Then hierarchy of Java linked list class. The Java linked list class extend the deque into deque and also extend the abstract sequence list, and deque extend the queue and abstract implement the list, and which extend the collection, and collection extend the iterable. Then let's see the doubly linked list. In this case, doubly linked list we can add or remove elements from the both side. Let's see, there are some constructor in Java linked list. The first constructor is the linked list. It is used to construct an empty list. Then second constructor is the linked list collection extends EC. Then it is used to construct a list containing the elements of the specified collection. In order to they are returned by the collection iterator. Then let's see some methods of the Java linked list. First method is a Boolean add method. It is used to append the specified element to the end of the list. The next method is a void add an index and in element. It is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in index in a list. And then next method is Boolean add all method. It is used to append all the element in the specified collection to the end of this list in the order that they are returned by the specified collection iterator. Then next method is a Boolean add index and collection extends E and C. It is used to append all the elements in the specified collection starting at the specified position. Then next method is a void clear method. It is used to remove the all elements from the list. Next method is object clone method. It is used to return a shallow copy of an array list. Next method is a contain method. Object O. It is used to return the true if it list contains a specified element. Next method is the element. It is used to retrieve the first element of the list. Then let's see the types of the linked list structure. There are two types of linked list structure. First one is a single linked list, and the second one is a double linked list. Let's double linked list. Let's see first see single linked list. In single linked list, there are in node there for two first one data part and second is address. If address of next element is stored. In data part and a pointer to the location of the next element. It is single linked list in Java. And let's see double linked list. In double linked list, three parts are previous node link, data part, and next node link. It is double linked list implementation in Java. Important points about Java linked list. Linked list array. Linked list can contain duplicate element because each element stored as a separate node, and there can be the multiple nodes with the same data. Second important, the linked list maintain the order of insertion. Each and every element stores the address at next element. Then the linked list can contain any number of null values. linked list class is a non-synchronized. Then how to create a linked list in Java. First to create linked list we have two constructors. One is default constructor and another is parameterizer constructor. The linked list class support the generic concept. So we provide the data type that object we want to store here. We can create two constructor like linked list and linked list collection C. That is about the linked list class. Thank you. Linked list in Java.